Hey lovelies, you're welcome back to the channel. My name is Onyi. In today's video I'll be showing you how I made this wonderful oil, which is very good for alopecia. It is very good if you're having a bad spot, if your hair is weak and thinning, if your hair is shedding, you need to regrow your hair, you need to revive your hair. This one oil is very good for you. I would like you to watch this video till the end so you will understand how to use and make this oil. And also subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. So guys, our first ingredient for this treatment is ginger. Ginger has antiseptic properties that makes it possible to cure dandruff from your scalp. Ginger also has antioxidants that helps improve blood circulations on your scalp. Ginger can help you regrow your hair if you use it regularly, and ginger is very good for hair growth, for hair that is thinning. If you're suffering from alopecia, ginger is very good for your hair. If you have a bald spot and you want to regrow that spot, ginger is the right route to go for. So our second ingredient for this treatment is clove. The almighty clove. You all know how good clove is for hair growth. Clove is a very rich source of silica and other nutrients necessary for regrowing hair. Cloves help to grow thin or fine hair into thick natural hair. So if you are having thin hair, then you should incorporate this in your treatment. So like I told you guys that I am transitioning from relaxed hair to natural hair, so I am incorporating natural treatments into my hair. I am using natural treatment for my hair. Every treatment that a natural hair should get, that is what I am using. Then I am leaving my relaxed hair to fall out, and it has been falling out but in a very beautiful way. So guys, if your hair is thinning, your hair is weak, if you are having a relaxed hair that is weak and you don't want it to look weak, then you should try this treatment. So the relaxed part of my hair is not looking so weak because I am using good treatments for my hair. At the same time, I am incorporating natural ingredients to my treatment. So guys, I've gone ahead to dice my ginger, clean it and dice it into small chunks of camera. So I'm going to transfer this into my blender, and then I will add 2 tablespoons of clove. 2 tablespoons of clove. And I want to add more. So I have added my clove to the ginger. So next thing guys is I will add 300 ml of my extra virgin oil. So guys, this is the oil I'll be using for this treatment, the extra virgin olive oil. So I'll be using 300 ml of this oil. I'm going to transfer it into a measuring cup. So guys, this cup is exactly 250 ml. So I will add this to my ginger, then I'll top it up. I'll add another. So I have added 250 ml of extra virgin oil. So I will add this 50 ml to make it 300 ml of extra virgin oil. This is to aid blending, to make it easy for my ginger and clove to blend. You know, these are very hard plants, and you will need enough oil to blend in. I blend this. Now I will transfer the blended ginger and clove into my frying pan. You can use already blended cloves for this. If you do not have dry clove, you can use the already blended one. So I have transferred everything into my frying pan, and I'm going to put it on fire and cook it for about 30 minutes. So I will take my time and cook this so that my ginger will cook properly. My ginger and clove is frying now. Ensure you cook properly so your oil will not spoil over time. So guys, as you can see, our ginger and clove oil has cooked properly. See what it looks like at this point. Now my ginger and clove has cooled. I'm transferring it into my wig cap to strain. So I'll transfer everything and then I will start straining the oil out. So like I told you, you have to ensure that you cook it properly. You can see the color, it has changed from the initial color to this color that you're seeing now. So this my wig cap is very weak already. I think I have to get a new one. I have to squeeze gently so that the pulp will not go into the oil. So I will strain the oil. Oh God, see what our oil looks like. It's looking so good. Like I said, this oil is very good for your hair. It is very good for alopecia. If you have a bald spot, give this oil a trial. Ginger has a lot of benefits. Clove is your number one hair treatment. And then you have olive oil, which is a very good conditioner. So I transferred the oil into my bowl. This is the oil. This oil will last me for a month. I made it for my daughter and I. So I'm going to show you where I'll be applying it on my hair. I will equally apply it on her hair in this video. I know you guys have not seen her in a while. She's 7 months now, so you will see her very soon. So I'm transferring it into the spray bottle that I will use to apply it on my hair. So this is my spray bottle. I just used the small one because I needed some small quantity that I will use for the both of us. So guys, give this oil a trial. If you have watched till this point, kindly subscribe to my channel. Please give this video a thumbs up and do not forget to turn on the notification bell. And if you have any question, kindly drop it in the comment section. So guys, this is my oil. This is what it looks like. So this oil is very good for your hair. Your ginger and clove will give you the best result that you need. At this point, I'm going to apply this oil to my hair. This is my hair, and I've been wearing this cornrow for the past 2 weeks now, and I'm going to apply this oil to my hair. Guys, remember the benefits of clove. Clove is very good for your hair. It helps with hair breakage, hair loss, hair thinning. So if you're having a bad spot, a combination of ginger and clove will be perfect for your hair. If your hair is weak, try this method. You see, I told you my hair is relaxed, and I'm transitioning from relaxed to natural hair. You can see how full my scalp is, how full my hair is. I love how my hair is growing. Like the relaxed part is falling off, but my hair is still looking very healthy and nice. I have that fullness of a natural hair. So I started applying natural treatments to my hair so that I will be grooming the natural part while the relaxed part will be falling off, the damaged part. So I'm using everything a natural hair should get for my hair. So guys, remember I told you that when you apply treatments to your hair, ensure to massage it in properly so that your scalp will get the nutrients it needed, especially if you have low porosity hair. So I have applied this around my hair and I've massaged it in. Your edges is very important. That front part, you need to massage it properly. So you remember that part where I had a bad spot, it's actually growing out. You can see hair around there. So my treatments are working. So guys, my hair is so full. I'm going to lose it next weekend. I want to carry this cornrow for 4 weeks. So guys, if you are still watching and you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do that and give this video a thumbs up. Click on the post notification bell, comment, and if you have any tip that you would want to share with someone who wants to grow their hair, kindly drop it in the comment section. I love you all.